Uganda inamanyigo bitanga
gwa munyazi ngwa mukozesa ekisi ekikontana n'obwayiro 285 286 ekisangibwa obusangibwa mu kitabo ekirwanyisa obumenyi bw'amateeka ekya gavumenti.
The prosecution alleges that the four of you, Tende, Abdulatif, Oduma, Sana Farizo, and several others who are still at large, who are still on the run. On the 21st of May, the year was 2021, at Chifuyo B village, it is found in the Maingo district. Prosecution alleges that you stole an SMG rifle with serial number 56368889 and also coded number 25813 with 30 rounds of live ammunition. That you stole it from number 41368 Police Constable Akon Evelyn, and that at the commission, immediately before, immediately after stealing it, you used a deadly weapon, in this case, a gun, and they said Akon Evelyn.